Hey loves, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to show you how I do my own nails at home. So if you guys want to see exactly how I do gel X or gel extensions using all Amazon products, then definitely keep watching this video. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and find which nail extensions match closest to my size nails. So I'm using this all-in-one Beetles nail kit that comes with everything that you need to do gel X nails. So what I do is I try to find which one matches closest. A lot of times you're not able to find the exact size. So I try to find which one hits my side walls on my nails, as you guys see me demonstrating right now. Sometimes you find that the extensions don't fit just right. So I try to size up rather than size down. And what I'll do is I'll go in with my nail file and kind of file the sides as well as the back of the fake nail just so it can fit a little bit better on my natural nails. The reason why you want to do this is you want to make sure that the extension fits as flush as possible to your nail bed. This prevents any seepage when you apply the nail glue underneath the extension, as well as any lifting later on.
You feel like rain in the morning.
The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and use my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticle, as well as get rid of any dead skin that is sitting on my nail bed. You want to make sure that you do this because it allows the extensions to adhere to your natural nails as much as possible. I also go in with my 100-180 grit nail filer to buff away any shine that is on my natural nail. You want to definitely make sure that you do this as well, because also this helps with the extension adhering to your nail bed. After this, I go ahead and use a brush to brush away all the dust, and then I do spray my natural nails down with 91% alcohol that I put in this spray bottle. Now what I'm going to do is use my nail drill machine to go in and drill the inside of the gel extensions. You want to make sure that you take away the shine on the back of the extensions as I did purchase this nail drill machine from Amazon. All the items, like I stated before, is from Amazon, and I will link all of them down below in the description section. So I'm going in with sort of like a smaller drill bit to get in the inside of the extension to make sure that I'm buff away all the shine on the back of the nail.
Giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
So next what I'm going to do is go in with my nail prep dehydrator as well as my primer. So with the nail dehydrator, what it does is it takes away more of the shine on your natural nail.
Mix it up, girl, put it in motion.
I'm going to go ahead and go in and apply the primer to my natural nails. You want to make sure that you apply a thin coat and just make sure that you don't get it on your skin. This allows the fake nail to, of course, adhere to your natural nail, and it does prevent lifting.
No compromising, make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So
once you finish applying the primer to your natural nail, you want to make sure that you apply the primer as well to the extension.
Pulling your thorns out my clothes, your poison is spread to my soul.
So now that we are prepped and ready to go, the next thing we're going to do is start applying the extensions onto our natural nails with the nail glue. So you want to make sure that you have some acetone, because if you get any type of glue on your skin, you want to make sure that you wipe those away before you cure in your LED light. The first step in applying the Gel X extensions is you want to go in with some sort of gel nail glue. I'm using the one that actually came with the kit, and it is by the brand Beetles. And you want to apply a thin layer to your natural nail. Once you apply a thin layer to your natural nail, you want to cure under your LED light. Make sure that you cure your nails for at least 30 seconds.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You're so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what you're doing to me. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming.
Now I'm going to be taking this smaller LED light that comes with the kit, and you want to use this to cure each nail individually once you apply the extension. So take one of your extensions and apply a good amount of the nail glue to the back of the fake nail. You want to make sure that you apply as much as needed to cover your entire nail bed, and then you want to take the excess nail glue and apply it to the very end of the extension. Now here comes the tricky part. When applying the extension to your nail bed, make sure that you apply it as flush as possible to your natural nail. As you guys can see, I went ahead and slid the extension onto my nail. Make sure that it hit my cuticle, close to my cuticle area as possible, and then lay the rest of the extension down. And you want to make sure that you're applying enough pressure so no bubbles will form underneath the nail, and you want to cure under the LED light for at least 10 seconds. You may not get it right the first time. You may experience some seepage around the cuticle area, or some of the nail glue pushing out at the very tip of the nail. And that is okay, because you can always clean it up. And I will be showing you guys later on how to clean that up. So I'm following the same process for all of my nails, and once I apply the extension to all my nails, what I'm going to do is cure in the big LED lamp for at least 1 minute. After I cure for at least 60 seconds, the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my nail filer. I'm using the 100-bit side, and I'm filing or buffing away the tip of the nail. If you guys know, there is like a small little piece that is always at the very tip of extensions. You want to file that away, and then also buff away the shine that is on the top of the extension. This allows any type of gel polish or polish that you use later to adhere to the extension. I'm going to be going in with this nail clipper, nail cutter, to cut away some of the length on these extensions. I usually bounce between either a short length or a medium length.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you
I'm going to be going back in with my nail drill, and I'm using the smaller nail bit to file away some of the bulkiness of the extension around my cuticle area.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you riding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind.
I'm going to be switching out the smaller bit for a more bigger and coarser drill bit, just so I can get more of the bulkiness of the extension from around the cuticle area.
And it's too much sometimes, mix the potion. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you riding or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind.
I'm going to be going in with one more drill bit, which is about the same as the other one, but as you can see, there's a difference. This one is a more smoother drill bit, and this is going to allow me to smooth out the extension.
Running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind. Lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love.
I did want to show you one more thing with using the nail drill. If you get some of the nail glue underneath the extension, you always can go in with a smaller drill bit and file that nail glue away. So I went ahead and did my other hand off camera because doing this hand is a little bit of a struggle. I am left-handed, so I tried to make sure that I showed you guys how I do the extensions using my dominant hand. The last step that I'm going to do is go in and apply some gel polish to my nails. I am using this pink nude color. It is from the brand Mamita. To get the color to not look so nude, I did do 3 coats. I did the first coat and then I cured under the LED for about 30 seconds and then repeated the process 2 more times just to get the exact color that I wanted. Okay, so I am not the best at all with applying polish to my nails, but I try to get it as neat as possible. I just try to take my time and
Something tells me I should take my time. Wanna get this right. I've been thinking it's been so long since someone caught my eye. Took me by surprise.
okay, so the last step that I have to do is go ahead and apply this gel top coat. I'm going to be applying 1 layer and then curing under the LED for 2 minutes. And after that, I will show you guys the final look of my nails. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it was able to help you do your own nails at home. All these products that I did use, once again, is from Amazon. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Something tells me I should take my time. Wanna get this right.